हाय हेलो सत श्री अकाल नमस्कार। मैं हूं नमिता सचदेव और आज हमारे साथ हैं बहुत खूबसूरत बहुत प्रिटी द गर्ल विद एन इन्फेक्शियस स्माइल। यस वी हैव विद अस गीता बसरा। गीता बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका।
Thank you very much for lovely welcome.
So Geeta, this you have heard from so many people. I believe millions of people have given you this compliment that you have an infectious smile.
Well, that's the best compliment I can get because when you have an infectious smile, it should spread to others. You know, I don't mind this kind of infection or virus where it spreads to others, where other people smile, and
Okay.
especially in like this, where
Hmm.
it's a very testing time for everyone. So it's nice if you can smile through this as well.
वन पर्सन जो अपने वेकेशंस को सबसे ज्यादा मैं कहूंगी याद कर रहा है इन दिस लॉकडाउन इज गीता। इज दिस ट्रू? हाउ मच ट्रू इज दैट?
याद कर रही हूँ तो आई थिंक वेकेशन टाइम आई थिंक मेरे माइंड के बहुत बहुत पीछे है। आई थिंक देयर अदर थिंग्स ऑन माय माइंड राइट नाउ कि जो चल रहा है माहौल अभी, जितने भी मेरे फैमिली फ्रेंड्स है वो सब सुरक्षित रहें, सेफ रहें। और यस, अ पार्ट ऑफ इट इज ट्रैवलिंग। वी ट्रैवल सो मच के वो हमारी समर वेकेशन होती है आईपीएल के तुरंत बाद। अभी वो इस साल होगा, तो that is something I'm very upset because usually our holidays are not in the sense of holidays is going back home to see my family in London. And sadly, that is not there this year, obviously for obvious reasons. So that is something that's kind of upsetting me.
Obviously, yes, this is very true. In fact, what all is going on in the lockdown? ये पिछला जो पूरा एक महीने से ज्यादा का वक्त है, ये कैसे निकला और क्या क्या नया एक्सप्लोर किया है गीता ने, भज्जी ने, क्या क्या किया नया?
वो पहले से शुरू हो गया था। आई थिंक तो मेरे बर्थडे के बिल्कुल एक दिन बाद आया, 13th को मेरा बर्थडे था। 14 से हम मतलब अंदर ही हैं, बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम इट वाज स्प्रेडिंग क्वाइट रैपिडली। एंड मेरे हस्बैंड आए हुए थे चेन्नई से। सो हमारा तो लॉकडाउन तब से चालू है एंड इन ओवर 45 days now. द गुड थिंग इज कि ऐसा लग नहीं रहा कि 45 दिन निकले हैं, because there's so much going on in the house and so many things we're doing that actually we're keeping ourselves busy.
Okay.
But at the same time, it's the uncertainty of not knowing when we can go out. I think that's more playing on our head. How long is this going to go on for?
So what new things you have done in your house? Like what all activities are going on?
Lots. I think that the actual sense, the term spring cleaning. I think we've done a lot of spring cleaning in the house. Of जो 2 बार होती है, एक बार होती वैसे अच्छी सफाई साल में, वो है यूजुअली दिवाली के टाइम पे कि सब लोग घर बिल्कुल चमका देते हैं। और हमारा हो रहा है कि अभी फिलहाल जो भी पंखे, एसीज, the cupboards, all spring cleaning is going on in our house. So that has been quite productive. We have cooking, so both my husband and I have learned lots of dishes that we have not cooked before. I have actually entered the kitchen, but he hasn't ever entered the kitchen. So I think it's nice that both of us are cooking, and he's a lot of new things. I have been doing my piano practice, so that's keeping me busy. As well as playing with my daughter, studying with her, study time होता है दिन में, painting time होता है, baking time होता है. There's so many things. I think when you have a toddler in the house of a 3-year-old, there's anyway you twice कि पता भी नहीं चलता है कहाँ चल जाता है. So yeah, I think we've had quite a few productive days, and हमारा हर रोज शुरुआत होती है 1 hour of exercise. So yeah, working out every day. We have our routine of doing yoga and functional training, and functional every other day. Yoga 4 times a week. So that is also keeping us busy.
अच्छा, मुझे हमेशा से लगता रहा है, मैं हमेशा से सुनती आई हूँ कि जब टॉडलर होता है घर में या कोई बच्चा घर में होता है तो मदर्स के लिए सबसे बिजी होने का एक रूटीन उनका बहुत बिजी हो जाता है। लेकिन कौन सी ऐसी एक्टिविटीज होती है हिनाया की जो दैट कीप्स यू बिजी ऑल द टाइम?
See, एक टॉडलर का एक क्या है कि उनको अटेंशन बहुत चाहिए। आई थिंक स्पेशली हिनाया जो मेरे साथ बचपन से मैं मतलब एक दिन नहीं छोड़ा, you know, I have been with her every single day since she's been born. So इनकी जो एनर्जी है ना, हम अपने एडल्ट्स के साथ बिल्कुल मैच नहीं कर सकते. आई थिंक एडल्ट्स एनर्जी टू अ चाइल्ड एनर्जी, दे कैन प्ले थ्रू आउट द होल डे, एंड आवर over 1 hour we can play, then we need another half an hour break, then we need an hour, then we need another half an hour break, because we're, you
I
know,
think में हो जाता होगा वर्कआउट, तो आधा उसी में हो जाता होगा. मैं कह रही हूँ वर्कआउट तो आधा उसी में हो जाता है.
आधा तो इसके पीछे ही लग जाता है कि ये यहाँ भागती है, वहां भागती है, इसको ये खेलना है, वो खेलना है, ये बनाना है, तो इसके वैसे ही पीछे इसका आधा तो मेरा एक्सरसाइज उसके पीछे लग जाता है. बट आई थिंक विद अ टॉडलर यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी एंड अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट क्रिएटिव थिंग्स कि उनके साथ क्या क्या करे. तो रोज मैं कुछ नया कोशिश करती हूँ कि डिफरेंट क्राफ्ट्स करे, डिफरेंट चीजें बनाए. सो दैट हैज केप्ट मी बिजी थ्रू द आफ्टरनून.
और बाकी जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, जैसे आपने कहा फैन क्लीनिंग हुआ या पूरी सुपर क्लीनिंग घर को करना, तो उसमें भज्जी ज्यादा करते हैं, लाइक पंखे साहब भज्जी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है या आपकी?
नहीं, हम दो Fanta. It's just the things that I can't reach. Then he comes in, but we both doing it. Things which are too hard. Then he'll come in and help, and we're distributing roles, so it's nice. नहीं तो हम पूरा दिन घर पे टीवी के सामने तो बैठ नहीं सकते ना, तो you have to keep it occupied in the first half of the day, that you do all your productive stuff, and then शाम को हम जब हिना सो जाती है तो हम अपनी मूवीज देखते हैं, सीरीज देखते हैं.
ओके. सबसे ज्यादा आई बिलीव क्रिकेट को मिस कर रहे होंगे आप दोनों, है ना?
I think yes, of course, he's probably missing cricket right now, but I think that again is secondary right now. अभी फिलहाल जो चल रहा है, but yes, हम हमेशा यही याद करते ये दिन पे ये मैच होता, या you know, हम आधा सीरीज अभी खेल लिया होता, you know, by now I would have been more than halfway in.
Yeah.
So yes.
बिल्कुल. इनफैक्ट अगर बात करते हैं आपके करियर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी, तो हमने देखा कि आपने बहुत ज्यादा फिल्मों में लाइक काम नहीं किया. यू टुक अ ब्रेक इन बिटवीन आल्सो, एंड आफ्टर योर मैरिज तो आपने हिनाया को ज्यादा लाइक पूरी प्रायोरिटी दी अपनी, एंड आप उसी के साथ रहते. तो आफ्टर
जब मेरी फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी द ट्रेन, उस टाइम पे आई गॉट इन टू अ रिलेशनशिप विद हरभजन. सो at that time only, the moment my film released, my relationship had started. So and I think when I had entered the industry, it was a very different time for a girl. It was a very I mean जो आज opportunities है एक लड़की के लिए कि उस टाइम पे इतनी नहीं थी. You know, I think शादी तो दूर की बात है, even if you were dating someone, I think it was a taboo कि you know, she's dating someone, and audiences were not ready to accept an actress being married or being dating someone, so they wanted, you know, actors who are not in a committed relationship.
Correct.
So for a girl in 2006 was a very testing time. Yes. It was a very difficult period for a girl. Today it's, I think in the last 3 years, 4 years, it's changed so drastically that it's an amazing time for every girl to work. You know, I think there's so many opportunities, OTT platforms, and you know, Netflix, Amazon, and you know, it's not just about the silver screen. It's about other great products, creative products जो आजकल आ रहे हैं, जो हम ज्यादा वही देखते हैं. हम थिएटर्स पे तो जाते ही नहीं ज्यादातर. We actually are more Netflix and online portals. हम वो ज्यादा डाउनलोड करके देखते. So I think now is a good time for a girl. Unfortunately, when I had entered, you know, like I said, my priority at that time was my relationship. I was new to the industry. I think मैं 2-3 साल से मैं इंडिया में थी. So I was very fortunate कि जब मैं इंडिया में आई थी तो मुझे उसी टाइम एक opportunity आ गई थी. The moment I had left my acting class, I got a movie straight away, which does. So I was very fortunate in that, but unfortunately, due to circumstances at that time, I couldn't focus too much. Well, focus opportunities.
Okay, ये भी जानना चाहूंगी, क्रिकेट का शौक पहले से था या फिर हरभजन के लाइफ में आने के बाद ज्यादा हुआ?
बिल्कुल नहीं, मुझे तो आइडिया भी नहीं था. I had no clue. I had no idea. That is something I did. being in a relationship with someone who plays cricket, I've learned over time. मुझे बिल्कुल कोई.
So when was your first meeting with Harbhajan?
Straight after the train.
Okay.
I think he had seen my poster or a song, so he tried to get in touch with me, and then yes, his friend had introduced. We had a common friend, so हम एक दूसरे से मिले coffee पे, and yeah, friendship started.
Okay, coffee is a good thing to start a friendship or to start a relation.
Bilkul. I think he likes coffee. I like coffee sometimes. I'm not really a coffee person, but yeah. But it was nice because I had my friend with me and he had his friend, so it was kind of like 4 of us meeting, and it was good. It was nice, and from there our friendship grew. And 10 months later, I said yes to his proposal. So yeah.
Acha, matlab he said I love you first, na? He proposes to you, na?
Yeah, you from day one that you're the girl I'm marrying.
Okay, very nice.
Yeah.
अच्छा गीता, कई बार क्या हमेशा ये देखा गया है कि शादी के बाद एज अ पर्सन दोनों में चेंजेस आते हैं ना, एक लड़की में भी और एक लड़के में भी. सो व्हाट चेंज डू यू लाइक थिंक कि आप में आया है आफ्टर मैरिज, और हरभजन की भी अगर बात करें तो उनमें क्या चेंज आप देखते हो?
दोनों के अंदर बहुत चेंजेस आते हैं. आई थिंक एज इज वन. उम्र के साथ भी बहुत चेंजेस आते हैं. आई थिंक व्हेन आई वाज इन अ रिलेशनशिप विद बज्जी, आई वाज 23. So that's over 10 years ago now, and it was a time where I was very, very ambitious, and I was young, free-hearted, free-spirited, young innocent girls, and where you're new to the country, you're new to this whole world of this city, and didn't know much of Hindi. I used to get teased a lot by him because मेरी हिंदी बहुत funny थी उस time पे. बहुत British accent के साथ ऐसे बात करती थी, So I think that time, it was one of those, you're young and you're free-spirited. But as you grow older, you get settled down. You get married. The responsibilities on a girl increases. Where both you have to keep each other. Correct. You have to back each other out, and then having a child, that also teaches you a lot. I think having a child really brings out a total different side of you, which you never knew existed. I think a maternal love जो होता है, unconditional love जो आपको कभी पता नहीं था. Yes. ये क्या है? I think that teaches you when you have a child. Patience.
So many things, yeah.
So many things. I think my friends have really seen a huge change in me. They say you're Geeta who before you're totally different and today you're totally different. So
हिंदी बोलना कैसे सीखा?
हिंदी बोलना मेरे स्टाफ के साथ मैं बहुत हिंदी बोलती. I used to tell them that I'm gonna try and speak Hindi with you guys. I took an Urdu teacher, I took a Hindi teacher, and उस टाइम पे मेरे साथ रहती थी, तो हमारी आदत थी पंजाबी में बात करना. Okay. And it was very us talking Hindi, because it sounded too filmy, talking Hindi in at home because we're so used to talking Punjabi. So I used to tell Masi ke please band karo, you have to help me talk Hindi, like proper Hindi, because every time I used to talk Hindi, people used to suss it out that you're not from here, you're from abroad. So then I made it a point. I said, no, this has to, I have to really work hard on my Hindi. I think that's my priority. Like chota sa game we want to play with you, which is all about yourself and your husband, of course. So one habit of Bhaji that you want to change. Only one. नहीं 3 भी बता सकते हो. पतियों की बहुत सारी. I know. I'll say one. Stubbornness. Okay. And being late. Okay. Very nice. So one quality of Bhaji as a dad. very, very doting father, very protective father.
The first gift that Bhaji gave you? The first gift.
A bag.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what was your reaction after getting that?
Which girl's gonna be
So,
it's isn't it? A girl who's getting a bag. Yeah, of course, it was special.
okay. So, your reaction when India loses a match?
Disheartening.
Okay. ये तो हो ही गया. Who said I love you first is of course Bhaji, है ना? So, who starts fighting first? कौन झगड़ा पहले करता है?
My husband.
Everything my husband. Very nice. So, this also you want to change in him, na? जिससे
हाँ,
आप
he'll say otherwise.
huh?
He'll probably say otherwise. He
Okay.
will, yeah,
Who says sorry first?
me.
Okay, girls are like that. Who is more responsible?
Both.
Who is more fitness enthusiast?
Right now, I'd say me. I'm pushing him to do it,
Okay.
to do yoga, to do that day. He's going to be a fitness enthusiast, right? He's in sports, so he anyway has it. But sometimes you kind of slack a bit, and he can. But then the wife comes in, nee, let's do it today. Let's do a good 1.5 hour session of yoga.
Okay. So you are that motivational expert for him
Yeah.
in the moment.
He's been in sports for so long. I think when you're at home, then you kind of tend to become a little, you know, but he's actually, now that we're in our routine, he's more enthusiastic than me now. So it's
Who snores more?
of course him. When he's really tired, he doesn't snore otherwise, but when he's really tired, it's obviously him. I've never snored.
And who wakes up first?
Nowadays I hate mornings, so I'll say him.
Thank you so much. It was wonderful talking to you, Geeta. And we want one message for our Punjab Kesari Navodaya Times viewer in this lockdown period.
Message तो यही है that please follow protocols and stay at home, अंदर रहो, सबको सुरक्षित रखो, और बस थोड़ी देर और, इतने दिन काट लिए, बस थोड़े दिन और, and just stay positive and stay productive at home.
And what Geeta is missing in the lockdown, what she'll do when all this gets over?
Go to London.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
Go to London or to Punjab, either one.
Okay.
But not for a while, not even after the lockdowns opened. It'll take a while to take flights. ऐसा इतना एकदम अचानक से तो नहीं ऐसे बाहर निकलेंगे, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा.
Thank you so much, Geeta, for giving your precious time to us. And stay home, stay safe, keep your family healthy and hydrated too. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.